Hey guys, this is Maria and welcome to Maria Antoinette TV. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different over here. My family and I, we used to vlog many moons ago, but today I wanted to share with you guys a hiking and camping trip that we went on. Let me know in the comments, is this something that you guys would like to see here? I'm not saying vlogging all the time. I'm just saying like special occasions, things like that. Let me know in the comment. Also comment if you can see your family going hiking for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here and to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, we are at, where are we at, Ethan?
Rough Ridge on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
We are at Rough Ridge on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're about to go for a quick 15-minute hike before we get to our final destination of where we're going to stay tonight. So, Garrison is already up there. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
So I just stepped in dog poop in hiking shoes where the treks are really high and thick. And I don't know how I'm going to get it out before we get back in the car to go to, oh, there's grass down here. So I got the poop off. Luckily we had an extra bag of baby wipes in the car. And I used a stick to get the majority of it out, and then I cleaned my shoes up with the baby wipes. Off to the next spot. Where are you taking us, Mr. Ethan?
Taking you to the top of Hawksbill Mountain, the Linville Gorge Wilderness.
All right. We're on our way, guys.
What mountain?
Hawksbill Mountain. Yep.
You ready, babe?
I'm ready.
You look very, very, very handsome in your hiking gear. You look like an expert hiker. All right, guys, we're about to start our adventure. We're in the middle of a cloud. Like you can see it physically moving around us. That's how high of an elevation we are at. Garrison got hot. We're into the wild. The hubs got hot.
The hub's been hot. It's gonna be hot.
Our dinners. They are Mountain House and they are freeze dried. So Bo is having beef stew. I'm having chili mac with beef. Mine has 12 grams of protein. His has 14 grams. It's supposed to be 2 people can eat a meal, but we're gonna eat our own. And Garrison likes plain noodles. So Mr. Ethan has this top down pot right here that we were able to literally make Garrison noodles right on the spot.
Booyah.
Boiled right.
So, most of the time when hanging a bear bag, you want to have a little bit taller tree, and you want to hang the bag at least 12 feet off the ground and 5 feet from the base of the trunk and any surrounding branches. But we're not really in bear country, but just as a precaution, we're hanging it more for rodent purposes.
You were stepping on it.
1 hour later.
There we go.
Woohoo! Oh, you're trying to get it further away from the tree.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. It's not a big deal.
Then you secure it onto another tree.
With a perfection knot and alpine loop.
And our food is safe.
We hope.
We hope. Good morning. We made it through our first night. It rained. We learned, at least for us, that it was best to just sleep as using the sleeping bags as blankets, since we had these pads, and it's cool, but it's not like freezing. But yeah, it rained. I kept us dry. Now I'm off to the bathroom.
Piece of quartz just at the starting of the mountain.
You dug it out and everything, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's this? Who is this little guy? Somebody left him here?
Yeah.
Look at this stone.
What is it? A crystal?
It's got hematite in it. This is a combination. So,
Dad, this has hematite in it.
met some locals. The guys are down here talking. I showed them some of my videos of all the hawks. Garrison, look at me. What did you think of your first hiking trip?
Good.
Was it good?
Because I found the quartz.
Oh my goodness.
I find it.
What did you think about sleeping in a tent?
Yeah.
You didn't like it? You were sleeping hard.
There's hematite in that rock over
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you another hematite.
Yeah, that's got a lot of
It is just so beautiful. I wish you guys could see the smile on my face, like connecting back to earth and just being out here. I want to say with no technology, even though I'm holding a phone recording this, but you know, the simple things. This is a trash can that's animal and bear proof. I was like, so people are shipping out letters? Ethan was like, no, it's a trash can.